Do you guys have any maritime experience from before, or is this more of a learning experience? From John A. Thank you, John A, for the question. And the answer is a resounding.
Well, not for the both of us. I don't have any maritime experience. I've actually been against living on a boat for most of my life.
Yeah, Mariah's been anti-boat.
I've been anti-boat, and it started with your obsession with it. But you have done some sailing.
I've done some sailing, yeah. So yeah, and I think actually I didn't really think about it from that perspective, but I've done some sailing on a big ship, a 3-mast bark. And I think when you've lived on a boat, it does change your perception of boats. Not that I've lived on a boat, but I've slept on a boat. But from the perspective of actually converting boats, I have no boat experience. However, I have converted a van, and doing a boat in my limited experience feels like just doing a big van. Basically doing a van times about 8.
Yeah.
But it's all the same stuff. So no, we don't have a lot of experience.
Nope.
But we're really excited about learning more, and especially in the next phase, doing all the metal work. Neither of us have done any of that. So
well, we're going on a welding course.
We're going on a welding course
in 2 days.
In 2 days, yeah. So excited.
Yeah.
So, but no, we don't. But anyway, thanks, John A, for the question.